Teachira. How are you all? So today, before starting with the lesson, students just download our Teachira application from a Play Store, okay? And if you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact our number, okay? And you can also comment on our YouTube channel, okay? So we'll start with our lesson, okay? So today we are going to learn about a very beautiful lesson, that is to be a good listener, okay? Now this lesson is very interesting and very what we call related to your life, okay? And to be a good listener is a word means listening means every day we are listening the things, okay? We are talking, we are listening, this all things are going on in our day-to-day life, daily life. We are listening, someone is talking, we are listening, okay? But how to be a good listener, that's the one part in the lesson, okay? And you will learn that how to be a good listener. Now we are listener, we know very well, okay? But how to be a good listener, these things we will learn in this lesson. Now some examples are there. Due to that examples you will come to know that how to be a good listener, okay? And before that, what is a listener? Students, can you tell me that? What is a listener? Who is a listener? Yes, very good. Listener is who listen to person who is talking, okay? So now we'll start with the topic, okay? Be a good listener. Now students, it is very important that we should be a good listener. Why? Because when someone is talking to us, when someone is sharing his feelings or someone is telling his important things to us, we should listen very carefully, okay? And there are some things that we will see in the slide. It is important to be a good listener when you are learning a language or when you are dealing with other people. And yes, it's a very important thing that to be a good listener, because when you are learning a language, any language when you are learning, what is main thing? Listening, yes? Why? How you have learned your Hindi language or Marathi language or English language? Is your mother, your father or anyone has sit and teach you that this is a Hindi word, this is an English word? Yes? No. We have learned how? By listening, okay? Every day our family members are talking in Hindi or Marathi or any language, okay? And when these things we are listening, then we automatically learn the language, yes? So for that, what is important? The listening skills, okay? And that's why it is told that it is important to be a good listener, okay? Or when we are dealing with other people, yes, of course, when we are talking or when we are dealing with the other peoples, what they are telling, what all things they are telling, we have to understand, we have to listen properly, okay? Then, are you a good listener? Now students, tell me, are you a good listener? Is I am talking with you, yes, I am talking, I am telling something, is it that you are a good listener, you are listening to you, to me? Yes, that is the question. You can find it out with the help of the following questions. Now students, you are a good listener, how you will come to know? Here are some questions, okay? And due to that you will come to know that you are a good listener or not, okay? We'll start with the questions, okay? First question is what? When you are listening to someone, do you look at the person or do you turn your head away or toy with something else? Now what is here students? That when you are listening to someone, when you are listening, if your mother, if your friend or anyone is talking to you, you are just sitting and listening to them, or you are just turned back like this. What is going on? Yes, when you are talking, your friend is talking to you, you just see and listen to him sitting on the place, yes? You never turn like this. If you will turn like this, he will speak to you? No. He will talk to you? No. Why? He will feel that he is not interested to talk to me, and that's why then he will not share his information or he wants to share something. Okay, that's why here when you are listening to someone, do you look at the person? Do you look at the person or not? Yes, that is the first thing, that you are looking or not. Then second thing is turn your head away or toy with something. Now toy with something means when someone is talking, you are busy with your phone. Okay, when you are busy with your phone, what will happen? When your mother is telling, when your mother is speaking something or giving something information, you are playing with your phone. You will understand that what your mother has told you. For example, if you are sitting and playing in your phone, okay, you are playing a game and your mother calls you and tells you that beta, just bring two cup of tea. Okay, just bring a 2 cup of tea. Now you are busy with playing. Okay, you are busy with playing the phone. Okay, and your mother has told to bring 2 cup of tea. Okay, and now you were busy with the talking, playing with the phone. You have not heard that how much mom has told to bring a cup of tea. Now you went in and you bring just 1 cup of tea. Okay, now what happened here? What was the fault of yours? That you were busy with your phone and you have not heard that how much your mother has told to bring a cup of tea. So that's why the thing is important, that you should be important thing is that you are paying attention on a listener, to a talker, means who is giving a information. Okay, and this thing is very important. So here what it is, do you look at the person or do you turn your head away? Now you think that what is yours, what you are doing, you are paying attention to your listening, means someone who is talking to you, or you are turn away, or you are playing with the phone. Okay, so what is there, we'll see here. A good listener looks at the speaker. Okay, so what is that? The good listener always look to a speaker, look at the speaker. Okay students, so from today, if someone is talking to you, okay, as a good listener, if you want to become a good listener, you should always look at the speaker who is speaking with you. Okay, and that is very, very important here. Okay, so first you understand the first question and you have got the answer also, that what is important here. Okay, now next, the second question. Okay, do you pay attention to what the speaker is saying? Now very, very important part, means very important question here, that do you pay attention to what the speaker is saying? Now students, here the thing is that when you are not paying attention to the speaker, many chaos happens, many messy things happens. For example, in the school your teacher is speaking in front of you. Okay, and whole class is sitting and listening, and teacher knows that who is paying attention, who is not paying attention. She knows very well. Okay, but some students are there that they are thinking that ma'am is not knowing that we are not paying attention, but by expressions, by your expressions, by your talking or by your sitting position, we teachers can understand everything. You know very well. Okay, and like that only, here the question is, do you pay attention to what the speaker is saying? And at that time, you are as a student, are you paying attention on the teacher? And when you pay attention, automatically the whole lesson you understand very properly. Yes, but why the last benchers are not understanding the lesson? Have you guessed it? Why? Because they are not paying attention to a speaker. Who is the speaker here in the class? Teacher. Okay, and listener is you all. And why the last benches are not understanding? Due to that, because they are not paying attention on a teacher, on a speaker. Okay, and that's happened. Due to that, you don't become a good listener. So are you a good listener? That you are paying attention to what is going on, what is saying. Okay, so what is the answer of it? Good listener pay close attention to the speaker, and a good listener is who is paying close attention to a speaker. Means a simple points also, a simple things also he closely listen, and that is he become a good listener. Okay, and he become a good listener. Now next. Okay, the one we have completed. Now second we have done 2. Okay, the second is what? Paying attention. Okay, do you pay attention to what the speaker is saying? Yes, the good listener pay close attention to a speaker. Okay, now third. Okay, now do you make any special effort to understand the speaker? This is very important, students, because this is very important. Why? Do you make any special efforts to understand the speaker? Now here main word is what? Understand. Okay, means what? That if you are paying attention, it's okay. Okay, if you are paying attention to the speaker, you are a good listener. Okay, you are listening to a speaker, you are a good listener. Okay, but are you understanding that what the speaker wants to tell to us? Sometimes it happens, students, that sometimes our friend is there who wants to share his feelings with you. Okay, he share his sad part of the life, or he wants to share his any problem with you. Okay, and he is speaking with you, he is telling something to you. Okay, and he is telling everything, every point of his problem, okay, in his life, what is going on. Okay, but you are just listening. Okay, ha, yes, like this you are doing, but are you understanding that what he wants to tell? Yes, that is the main part here, that you have to understand that why he is sad. Okay, why he is sad, what is the reason. Okay, this thing is very important to be a good listener. Okay, or your grandmother is there in your home. Okay, example, your grandmother is there, she is what we call, she told you to bring something from a shop. Okay, she told that just bring this medicine from a medical. Okay, and you have not understand that what the grandmother told to bring a which medicine. It has 2 types or anything. You have not understood, and you have bring another medicine. Now what happened here? The conversation which was going on, you have not understood, and you have bring a wrong thing. That's why for that you have to be a good listener. Okay, we'll see with the example. Okay, do you make any special efforts to understand the speaker? Good listeners look at the speaker. Okay, now third what is? Means he is looking at the speaker, he is speaking, and he is understanding that what is going on, and he is taking the effort. Okay, he is taking a effort. So good listener is taking a effort, and he looks at the speaker. Okay, now next. Okay, now here are some things that will help you to understand the speaker better. Okay, now here one example is there. Due to that you will understand that some of the things that will help you to understand the speaker better. How you will understand, how you can understand the speaker. Okay, this, just pay attention to this. Okay, First, if you hear some new or unfamiliar words, try to guess their meaning from a context. Now students, if speaker is telling something new word to you, okay, or you are unfamiliar with that word, okay, so first you should understand the context, means the lines, what lines the speaker has told you, okay. From this example you will understand that. See, now what it is, please bring me the vase that has a pink roses, it's on the dining table. Okay, now what here, who is the speaker here in this slide? Who is the speaker here? He is a speaker, yes. Please bring me that vase pink rose, it's on the dining table. Now who is a listener here? This girl is a listener, okay. Now vase. Now vase means what? A bed of roses, okay. Now vase, how many what all things, that one word means three things, okay. Vase means a bed of roses, vase means a kind of pot, and vase is also called as a frog, okay. And if the girl has not listened properly that what the speaker has told her, then she can bring a frog also for him, or a bed of roses also for him, okay. So now what she think? She has again listened the speaker, what the speaker has told her, that bring the vase of pink roses, it's on dining table. Now vase with the pink roses. Now she has understood that the vase is having a pink roses that I have to bring. She understand that context, okay. Then what she has bring, she understand that her vase is a kind of a pot, because what speaker has told her to bring a vase which is having a pink roses, and you can see here the pink roses. So like that you have to understand that what the speaker has to tell, and you have to take efforts to understand the speaker. That is very important to be a good listener. So I hope you all have understood till here that what is going on, how 3 questions are very very important to be a good listener, and you have understood by these 3 questions that how you can be a good listener, or you are a good listener or not, okay. Now next, now here students, some points are there which will be helpful for you. Now here are some things that will help you understand the speaker better. Now we have understood from one example, okay. Now we'll go with the second example. Now here are some points are there which we will see. Now first is, you can try to guess what the speaker will say next. Yes, you can do this. Yes, you can try to guess. You can guess that what the speaker can tell next. You can do this thing. Yes, if your sister is telling that today I have to go to my friend's birthday party, okay, for example, okay, I have to go to my friend's birthday party at 5, okay. Then at 5, now she is telling at 5. Now you can guess. Now you don't have to ask here that at 5 when, evening or morning. This is just a common question. You can guess here that of course when she has to go in a birthday party, she will not go in the morning. She will go in evening. So you can understand and you can guess the next what she wants to tell, okay. Then next, try to keep listening even when you feel that you do not understand the speaker. See students, this is very important here, that you should try to listen. If you are not understanding, it's okay, just you have to listen. For example, in the school, your principal ma'am is speaking something or giving a speech on something topic, or she is giving an information of something competition going, it will held in the school, okay, and now you are not understanding that it's which related question, the topic is going on, or what is going on, you are not understanding, okay. Now you are not understanding, what you do, suddenly you start talking with your friends, okay, because you are not understanding what principal ma'am is telling, okay. At that time, students, what you have to do, if you are not understanding, just listen, something will go in your mind, okay. This thing is very important, that if you are not understanding, then also you have to listen it. And then, or even when you are disagree with the speaker, wait for the speaker to finish what he is saying, then you can get your doubts clarified by asking polite questions. Yes, that is thing, that if you are not understanding, then what you have to do, you just be quiet and just listen. If you are not agree with the speaker, then also be quiet, let the speaker complete his words, let the speaker complete his sentence, then you can clarify the points politely after some time, okay. This is a very important thing, students. When a speaker is saying something important, see, when we were small kids, our parents also teach us that when the two elder people are speaking, we should not speak in the middle. Why it is so? That we should not speak in the middle when speaker is speaking, because then speaker get distracted what he is telling. That's why you should just listen, and after completing the speaker's sentence, then you can clarify the doubts politely to a speaker, okay. This is the very important thing for to be a good listener. Then next, do not feel shy or afraid to ask question. Yes, students, you should not feel shy to ask question. If you have doubts, you can ask to your teacher also. If you have any question which you can't ask, you can you have to ask. You don't feel afraid that what the speaker will tell. No, you have that right that you should speak, okay. You should ask the question to a speaker. If you do not understand what is being said, put your question to a speaker partly. Partly means what? Means politely means what? Politely you can ask that, yes ma'am, I have not understood this lesson, or I have not understood this part. Can you explain us this, like this question? When you ask to a speaker, that speaker also feels that yes, she has understand something and she is very polite, okay. You get your answers right. Now here are some things that will help you to understand more. Sometimes it helps to note down important words or points in a notebook. Now this is very important in school also, students. When teacher is speaking, teacher is saying or explaining any lesson, what she is telling? She is telling that you can note down in a notebook. Why she is telling that? When we note down the key points, or when we note down the points of a lesson or of any lesson or a point, we understand afterward when we read that points, and that's why we can write. Yes, your mother is also telling you something to bring from a market. What she is do? She give us the list, okay. Why she is giving the list? For understanding that we should not forget the things, that's why we write the list, okay. This is also very important. Now lastly, it also helps to keep thinking about what you heard. You may grasp the meaning of difficult word or a phrase. Yes, when we write down, we note down the things in the notebook, that we grasp the knowledge from the reading of the line. Yes, that what ma'am has told on this example, this all things are coming when we are writing in a notebook. So I hope you all have understood this line, that how you have to become a good listener, okay. What all things, the three things we have seen in the lesson, that how to be a good listener is that we should first, the good speaker, good listener always see in the speaker's eye. Next was, the listener never turn back or play with the toy when the speaker is telling. Then we have seen what we have seen. The second, third things we have seen that we should always take efforts to understand the speaker. This we have seen, okay. So these 3-4 things are there which is very important to be a good listener, okay. So I hope you all have understood the lesson very nicely, and you will note down these things in the notebook, okay. And if you have any doubts, any queries, you can comment in our YouTube channel, okay. And everything has done, and one thing is very important, that you have to read the lesson once, okay. So thank you, have a nice day.